Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about use of that and use of which. So actually that and which both are used in a similar way. So if we especially talk about use of that, so we can talk about with examples. So here is one example in which we can see that please bring the book which is on the table or that is on the table. So what do you think? So the answer is please bring the book that is on the table. So actually that is very beautiful word and I always love to use that in scientific writing instead of which. So here we will talk about why we use that. So we can use that use of that is only used where it should be used as essential. What is the essential mean? I mean please bring the book. Someone is saying that please bring the book. Which book? So because it is essential to give the remaining information, so where it is essential to give the remaining information, and without remaining information the previous sentence is complete, there we should use that. So it means please bring the book that is on the table. So because without the previous information the sentence was incomplete, so that is why we used here that. So in next example we can see that use of which. Usually which are used in which the previous sentence information are non-essential. Like in this example we can see please bring the red book. It means it is already mentioned that please bring the red book. So we can use which is on the table or that is on the table. So here is the answer. Please bring the red book which is on the table. So even the first part information is complete, but we should notice that when we are using which, we should must place a comma here. So it means now we have, so far we have learned that where to use which and where to use that. So here I will take one example from scientific writing paper. So actually here is one sentence that I have copied from one student paper. So let's try to find out mistakes of that and which one by one, and we try to make it like in a scientific way, how we can write it scientifically. So if especially talk about mistakes, we can see, however, it is still unknown that the mechanism by which the black rice and red rice exert their hypoglycemic effect. So can you identify the mistakes of that and which? So here we can see that it is still unknown that the mechanism by which. So we can see that that and which they are being used together. So in scientific writing, it is not good. So we can remove one, either that or which, according to the sentence need. So can you identify more? Black rice and red rice. So let's try to find more. However, it is still unknown that the mechanism by which black rice and red rice, do you think here is also mistake? And do you think this word can also be used? So, okay, so let's try to change some. However, it is still unknown that the mechanism by which black rice and red rice exert their. So all the underlined words can be changed. So in scientific writing, it should be known that in scientific writing, sentence is very concise and short. So technically, if you want to learn that how we can remove any word that is a mistake, so you just try to feel like that if this word is removed, do the sentence meaning is changed. So here all are the mistakes and we can change it. So in the first, however, it is unknown. We can in the previous sentence like, however, it is still unknown. We have just removed this and we have just changed from, however, it is unknown that, because what is unknown, because remaining all the things are essential. What is unknown? So we use that. How black rice and red rice exert their hypoglycemic effect. So we have just changed this whole part, the mechanism by which we have just changed and make it concise. However, it is unknown that how black rice and red rice exert their, so even still there are many mistakes. So in the next we can remove more. We can see that, however, it is unknown that how black rice and red rice. So here we need to remove this rice, black and red rice, because these both are rice. So black and red rice, exert can be changed to imply, and there because it is unnecessary word, even you remove this, you will feel like that, yeah, they are talking about this black rice and red rice. So this sentence can be changed from, however, it is unknown that how black and red rice imply hypoglycemic effects. So here we have seen that in scientific writing, sentence should be concise, and those words which are just giving extra length to the sentence can be removed. So we should just follow these guidelines to use of that and which. So another simple way to differentiate between that and which is use that after unknown and undefined matter. If the matter is undefined in the previous where we want to use that, so it is, if unknown and undefined, you can use that, and you can use which if the after known or the defined matters, if as I have already shown in example, but remember to place which and comma before which. So hope so you like the video. In another video I will talk about more example about use of scientific writings. Hope so you like the video. If you have any question, please say me in the comments. Thank you for watching.